Hi, my name is Kelsey Prout and I'm a recent graduate of Mount Royal University. I am the founder of BeMuse and I also work for a not-for-profit in Calgary. So when I came to Mount Royal, I had so many questions and was really in the dark of how do you actually start a business? And some of those questions were very technical things, some of them were more experiential, like how do I actually start a business? What is the process? How much money does it cost? Where do I find people to help me with certain technical things? And for myself, those technical things included things about how to start an e-commerce site. And Mount Royal really gave me the tools and the confidence to go out and actually find those answers and to really harness those and be able to use that knowledge moving forward. The entrepreneurial community at Mount Royal has been a huge part in my success with starting my business. And the peers that you work with are so inspiring, and everybody shares a passion for something completely different, or maybe they're similar, but everybody helps bring something different to the table. And having that support with people who are going through the same things as you can make the biggest difference in a successful business.